today I'm going to be trying out the Nongshim Kimchi Raymun Noodle Soup for the first time, so definitely stay tuned. Hi Magie's gang, my name is Magie for short. If you're new here, you are welcome to Cooking with Magie, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to Cooking with Magie. So I ordered some groceries online from Walmart, and part of what I had ordered was Indomie, and it turns out that the Indomie was out of stock, so it was substituted for the Nongshim Kimchi Raymun Noodles or noodle soup. Now, Indomie is really good stuff. My Africans can testify to that. And let me know if you have eaten Indomie in the comment section below. So Indomie is really good stuff, and it just got me thinking. So if this is the best substitute that was available to Indomie, I'm actually quite curious to finding out how good it actually tastes. So it appears there are two methods you can use to cook the noodles. The first one is on the stove, and the second one is in the microwave. I'm not a fan of cooking in the microwave, so I would definitely be going with the stove. So it says boil 500 ml, 2 cups of water, add noodles, soup base and flakes. Cook for 4 minutes, stirring occasionally. I don't know why I feel like I chose the wrong pot. Just so that it fits in the pot, just do that a little bit. Probably shouldn't do that, but whatever. This looks very interesting, but to me it looks like the water is too much though. But it's noodle soup, so I guess that answers the water content. 4 minutes. It has a very nice aroma, I would give it that though. But all this soup, well, we'll see. We will see. We will see how it gonna taste. Chicken. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the moment of truth. It looks really yum. My whole house is aromatic now, so I'm even standing to give it a standing ovation. I'm a bit confused about how it's tasting. It's not bad. It's not spicy. I'm sure if I used a lot less water, the spice would go into the noodles itself and not be in the soup that has turned out of this. I wouldn't categorically say, oh, I can feel the spice. I don't know. It's all in the soup. Everything is in the soup, so I literally have to like stir it anytime I want to eat or something. I don't know, but I wouldn't say it's better than Indomie. It's in a class of its own because this is noodle soup. Indomie is not really noodle soup. It does deserve the standing ovation. Okay fam, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed and remember, God loves you. Bye. Jerusalem.